Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Battery Mate supports 12V lead acid, AGM, gel, and some lithium packs. Using an incompatible chemistry can damage cells. Once done, measure the battery voltage and record the resting voltage so you can compare charge progress. Clean and tighten terminals. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Connect the red clamp to positive and black to negative. Then power the Battery Mate and select the 12V input mode so the unit recognizes the battery. Now configure the program based on battery condition. Pick standard for routine charging, fast for a quick top-up, or desulfation if the battery shows sulfation symptoms. Set the current appropriately, 0. 5 to 2A for small batteries to avoid overheating. If your Battery Mate has balancing or cell maintenance, enable it to equalize cells. During the process, watch voltage, current, and temperature readouts. This tells you how the battery responds. Keep an eye for rising temperature and falling current as indicators of near full charge. To finish, let the Battery Mate run until the current tapers and the voltage reaches the appropriate target, about 14. 4V for a 12V lead acid, then allow the unit to enter maintenance mode. Once complete, power down the unit and remove the negative clamp first, then positive. Record final voltage and elapsed time for future reference. If the battery fails to accept charge, check clamp contact and inline fuses, verify battery chemistry settings, and try a desulfation cycle. If still dead, the battery may need replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.